Hey, good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec back here on Monday, September 26th, start of a new week. We have overnight prices down a little bit, down roughly around a penny in the corn and the wheat, down maybe in the neighborhood of around a cent in the beans, down maybe $1 in the meal, and soybean oil up around 10 points. I've been going for a week, but over the past week, I see where corn and wheat prices are basically unchanged. Bean prices are down in the neighborhood of around 10 cents, meal down around $5, and soybean oil down in the neighborhood of around 65 points. So we really haven't done anything on the progressive side in my mind for the past week. It's going to be an important week this week in the sense that we're going to have our normal numbers come out today. Exports this morning at 10 o'clock. They're looking roughly in the neighborhood of around 50 million bushels of corn and soybeans, roughly in the neighborhood of 20 million bushels of wheat. We're going to get our crop progress numbers. They're going to come on out. We're roughly down in the neighborhood of around 20% harvested in corn, 10% harvested in beans, so we still have that pressure over the marketplace. We're also plodding along with our winter wheat plantings. But however, by the end of the week, we're going to end the month, and it's going to be the end of September. We're going to come up with a quarterly stocks number. And in my estimation, we're still seemingly have enough supplies on tap if we go and continue with our harvest progress. They're looking at an all-wheat production number of around 2.3 billion bushels. We're currently at 2.3 billion right now. We're looking at a corn stock number of 1.7 billion bushels. We're at 1.7 on the last USDA report. Maybe a smidgen lower in the soybeans, 185 versus the current USDA number of 191, and 2.4 billion bushels of wheat, currently at 2.0. It'll also be the end of the month in the sense of people leaving up their positions, and also in the sense that we're going to get our first notice date for October soybean meal and soybean oil deliveries, which currently I've seen where the soybean meal registrations have come down to 16, and the soy oil registrations are currently sitting in the neighborhood of 4,279. So all in all, it seemed like we were out there trying to progress on the upside for the corn, wheat, and soybeans for this past week. We didn't really get much mojo. Bottom line is the fact that we still have harvest pressure and we still have the quarterly stocks number. We're not running out at this point in time. Going forward, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.